Hey everybody, this is Hans the Ramen Raider with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles when instant noodles attack. This is, where is it? I can't even see it. I believe it says, this is Trader Joe's Thai Noodles Red Curry. Look at that. It's almost impossible to read it. But it does say Trader Joe's on it. But yeah, I did one the other day that looked a lot like this and that, this and that, this and that, and it got 0 stars, and I'm unsure if this will do. But we'll see. So what you do crew, is you put the noodle do like that, and then the sauce on top. Now, this is supposed to be Thai red curry. I had one the other day that came in a setup just like this that was supposed to be sweet and sour. It tasted neither sweet, it tasted neither sour. I should just say it tasted neither sweet nor sour. And it tasted more like Campbell's condensed beef vegetable soup that was really bland and no water was added. So it was like chunky. Yeah, it was really not... It was lacking the bueno, and I'm really hopeful that this tastes like that might not be bad. It smells good. This could be a winner. I'm stoked. Go lay down, Pepper. Go lay down. God, this dog. I can't wait till she's gone. Thank you, Pepper. Thank you. It's just constant. She is a naughty dog. She's a sweet dog, but she is definitely in the naughty end of the stick. Anyways, so yeah, Pepper, you chill out. This goes in the microwave for 90 seconds at 1200 watts. Are you high? I think I'll put it at 90% because I don't want to clean up a big, huge red curry mess. But I think it'll work out. So, no, cancel. That should do it. All right. Yeah, our mic. It says it's for 1200 watts. This one's 1250, and it seems to run hot. And I know that's probably not the way the universe works as far as microwaves go, but it certainly seems that way with ours. So I'm not gonna question. Yeah. So hopefully we don't have an explosion. The lid is loosely covering it. But this is my first week back to, I would call it production reviewing. That is reviewing every single day of the week in reasonably large amounts. First time in about 2.5 months. And this is the last one this week. It's Friday. It's about 9:40 a.m. And this will be my 17th review this week. And that's how I get so far ahead. Next week, I may be doing 20. Now, I've got tons of noodles to review. What I need to do is intersperse more Japanese varieties, though, because I've got a ton of those. Lots of Indonesian, Japanese, Chinese, some Korean, some. smells good, I'll give it that. Ooh, and it's hot. It smells like red curry. I don't know. I think Trader Joe's is kind of picky about what they go with. I did a oh god, Taiwanese dry noodle that they called knife cut squiggly noodle the other day, and that came out good. Our noodle is, oh, here we go. Here we go. You know what I need is a Thai looking plate. All I have is this bowl that my sister-in-law got me years ago. This smells pretty good. I think this one might be all right. I got, how many varieties? They had like 3. They had this, I think there's a satay, and maybe a green curry? I don't know. Maybe a yellow curry? I don't remember, but they had 3 of these different bowls, and she's like, yeah, they got 3 varieties. I'm like, okay, let's try them. Or I'll try them. I'll take a bite. So this does have veg in it, so I want to definitely get to that. Here is what I'm looking at. Here's our noodle. Peas, huh? I don't know, that seems a little weird. Isn't that a little weird? Peas? It's got a little heat. What is that? What is that? I don't know, but it works. Somewhat. That's okay. It needs something. I don't know what. Maybe soy sauce. It's kind of got a monotone flavor to it, but it's pretty good. I was very skeptical of this, and this will score well. It's pretty good. It's as advertised. It's definitely Thai red curry. It's not like that sweet and sour I had the other day, which was neither sweet nor sour nor really a flavor thing. Oh yeah, then there's these little, I have a feeling this is carrot, which I don't know what that is, but it makes me want to eat more of it. Yeah, it'll score well. Did mention add your favorite protein. I've got nice soft-boiled eggs, but really that does not seem like something that would pair well in here. I don't know how well the chashu is going to go, but you're getting chashu in your red curry. I think red curry normally goes with what? Beef? I'll torch it a little. Pretend it's beef. Holy basil from the garden. God, she's really got to work tomorrow. That makes me sad. bean sprouts? Maybe. It needs something. I'm looking at it and it's like, this doesn't look like it's a complete meal. Crushed red pepper. Oh. Sesame seed. That's good. I could put an egg on it, but I just don't see that as working right. That seems very, hey, I had an egg in the kitchen. It needed to be used, so I'm using it. Well, since my wife is working tomorrow, I may be doing another review tomorrow too. Not my plan, but you know. So, it's done making the music. Uh-oh. Gonna eat some cheese. Cheese and beef. That's kind of dark for red curry. Red curry. I don't know. But, anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Yeah. Trader Joe's red curry. We'll have to try the other ones. Other bowl varieties as well. That's it for me. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, helps me out. Have a good one and a good weekend. Bye-bye.